Before modern telescopes, humans could only imagine what the surface of the Sun and the planets looked like. Now, advanced technology has made it possible to get in close and take images of the Sun and the planets deep in our solar system. Get ready to see the solar system as you've never seen it before, with images so incredible they shocked astronomers. The Sun, burning with the energy of 1 trillion nuclear bombs per second, is the largest body in our solar system, accounting for 99.86% of the total mass. One of the most dramatic images of the Sun was captured by the Solar Dynamics Observatory on August 31, 2012, when a long filament of solar material that had been hovering in the Sun's atmosphere erupted into outer space. This beautiful but deadly coronal mass ejection, CME, traveled at over 900 miles per second. Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun, orbits at an average distance of 36 million miles. It has been studied by many spacecraft over the years, but NASA's Messenger spacecraft was the first to orbit the planet. Images showed a surface covered in craters of all sizes and massive asteroid impact sites, like the Valite crater, which is 168 miles in diameter, and the Caloris Basin, which is 960 miles in diameter, with mountains at the outer rim 1.2 miles high. These images, taken on April 29, 2015, were captured using spectral surface measurements. Messenger snapped more than 200,000 images of Mercury before ending its mission in 2015 with an intentional crash into the planet's surface. The probe's demise was inevitable as it had been orbiting Mercury since March 2011 and had run out of fuel. Right before impact, it sent back its final image, the highest resolution photo of Mercury ever captured. You might think that Mercury would be the hottest planet because it's closest to the Sun, but our next planet holds that title. Venus, the second planet from the Sun and Earth's closest neighboring planet, has a thick atmosphere made up mostly of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen gas, which traps the Sun's heat, making it a hellish world. Venera 13, a probe built in the Soviet Union for the Venera program, was the first lander to transmit color images from the surface of Venus. Venus is an incredibly hot world with surface temperatures as high as 880 degrees Fahrenheit. The probe was designed to last only 30 minutes, but it must have been built like a tank because it continued to transmit data and images for more than 2 hours after landing on March 1, 1982. NASA later sent the Magellan spacecraft to Venus in 1990 to image and map the entire surface. It sent back images showing evidence of volcanism, tectonic plate movement, turbulent surface winds, and miles of lava channels, including one measuring 5,550 miles long. Another incredible image shows the volcano Map Mons, which rises 3 miles. Once Magellan finished mapping the entire surface, it too ended its mission and crashed into the fiery planet. Earth, the third rock from the Sun, is unique and the only place known to have life in the solar system. There have been countless amazing images taken of our planet, but modern satellite photos are probably the most breathtaking. For instance, an image from NASA's moderate-resolution imaging spectrodiometer, taken from 22,000 miles above the Earth, shows North and South America as they appear from orbit, with the Moon making a guest appearance in the background. On December 14, 2020, NASA captured a total solar eclipse with the GOES-16 satellite. In March 2011, a Russian satellite named Electro-L captured incredibly detailed images of the Earth that appear to rival NASA images. Many claimed that they are more accurate and show different things, but NASA says they are not accurate. It's up for debate which images are the best. By the way, remember the Messenger spacecraft? It snapped a photo of the Earth and the Moon, sending it as a postcard before speeding towards Mercury. Mars has always been of great interest to humans. The fourth planet from the Sun, the red Martian planet, has been heavily studied. The Viking Orbiter 1 took stunning snapshots of Mars in 1979, like the photo of VIS Marineris, and the Viking 2 orbiter captured an image showing the southern polar plains and polar ice cap. In 2013, the European Space Agency's Mars Express took highly detailed images of Hebe Chasma, the northernmost part of VIS Marineris, as seen in a movie created from these images. Since then, 4 rovers have already been on the planet's surface, studying and snapping photos. The images from the Mars Curiosity rover, including a selfie, are among the most incredible images from the surface of an alien world. This includes a 1.8 billion pixel panoramic view made up of over 1,200 images of Mars, as seen by Curiosity, which is still operational. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a gas giant with a unique look, thanks to its giant Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for 350 years and is so large it could swallow Earth whole. On July 10, 2017, the Juno spacecraft flew just 5,600 miles above the Great Red Spot, capturing stunning images that offered an unprecedented view of this massive storm. Juno has provided incredible insights into Jupiter's atmosphere, magnetic field, and structure, revealing a world more complex and dynamic than ever imagined. The red spot on Jupiter has been a subject of fascination for astronomers for decades. Recently, the closest image ever taken of this massive storm was nabbed, providing a stunningly true-to-color view that matches what we would see if we were orbiting Jupiter. The Juno spacecraft has also captured unbelievable images of Jupiter's polar regions, which are invisible from Earth. What surprised astronomers most was the discovery of 8 storms swirling around Jupiter's north pole in a precise geometric pattern, appearing as stable fixtures in the atmosphere rather than normal weather phenomena. More incredible photos continue to emerge, including a breathtaking image from Juno on November 13, 2018, created using data from the JunoCam imager. On June 27, 2019, the Hubble telescope captured an image of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, revealing that the storm is shrinking. Stay tuned for our upcoming video on Jupiter for more fascinating details. Saturn, often considered the most beautiful celestial body in the solar system, is renowned for its iconic rings. The best images of Saturn to date come from the Cassini-Huygens spacecraft. On October 21, 2002, Cassini was 177 million miles away from Saturn when it snapped an amazing photo. As it got closer, on March 27, 2004, it took a natural color image just before arriving in Saturn's orbit. 1. Particularly mind-blowing image shows Saturn backlit by the Sun, revealing its ring system in stunning detail. The Hubble telescope also captured an amazing photo of Saturn's auroras in 2004. In 2016, Cassini sent back images of Saturn's northern hemisphere, revealing a mysterious hexagonal vortex storm. The spacecraft ended its mission on September 15, 2017, burning up in Saturn's atmosphere like a meteor. Uranus, the sideways planet because it rotates on its side, is the 7th planet from the Sun. One of the best images taken of Uranus was by Voyager 2 during its flyby in 1986, using 3 color filters. A composite image taken by the Keck telescope on July 11 to 12, 2004, showed the icy cold world and its rings. Bright spots on the surface of Uranus were identified as auroras. The Hubble telescope snapped an awesome image of Uranus in November 2011, and another colorized photo from 2017 shows an icy blue sphere with red rings. Neptune, the 8th planet in our solar system and the farthest from the Sun, has only been closely approached by Voyager 2. The spacecraft captured an image of Neptune's Great Dark Spot, a giant storm raging on the planet's surface. Before completing its mission and heading towards interstellar space, Voyager 2 made a close approach and snapped an image showing bright cloud streaks in Neptune's atmosphere. The Hubble telescope captured a recent image of Neptune in December 2020, featuring the Great Dark Spot. The best images of Neptune from Earth so far were taken by the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope, using a special narrow-field adaptive optics mode of the multi-unit spectroscopic Explorer instrument. Pluto, often debated as to whether it is a planet, has been photographed in stunning detail. One of the clearest images of Pluto was taken by the Long-Range Reconnaissance Imager aboard NASA's New Horizons spacecraft on July 13, 2015. On the next day, a composite image was created by combining blue, red, and infrared images taken by the spacecraft. New Horizons continued to take crystal-clear images of Pluto, including its moon, Charon, as seen in a composite of enhanced color images. One of the most striking images shows mountains across an icy plain. Humanity has achieved great results in capturing new images from planets in our solar system, making incredible discoveries. However, we are still too far away to get close images of Proxima Centauri, the next planetary system to ours. Current spacecraft headed in that direction would take thousands of years to get there. Plans are underway to create a wafer-thin nanoprobes called Breakthrough Starshot, with thin sails to capture energy from a powerful Earth-based laser. This would accelerate the probe to 134 million miles per hour, allowing it to reach Proxima Centauri in 20 to 25 years. Just imagine the images it could take if that happens. Stay tuned for more exciting developments. Our friends over at Channel Perception have just released a cool new video about NASA's plan to stop an asteroid. We thought it was really awesome, so be sure to check it out. We think you'll enjoy it.